In a previous video, we demonstrated the two-step preparation to use before any of your waxing services. The link to that video is in the description below. Today I'm going to talk you through the 4 options available for post-care once you've finished your waxing that will help to heal, hydrate and soften the skin following your waxing. Before I begin talking you through the 4 options you have for aftercare, I'm going to give you a top tip if you have any wax residue left on the skin, whether that's strip wax or peelable wax, that will help to remove that off the skin before you introduce your aftercare. The Outback Organics botanical oil, if you just place some of that onto a cotton pad and wipe over the wax residue, this will safely and easily remove it before you administer your aftercare. Firstly, a couple of options you have following a leg wax. If your clients tend to come up with the red dots or slight irritation on the skin, the post-wax spray is wonderful. It's got an amount of lemon myrtle in to help reduce the possibility of follicle infection or irritation. So it's quite wise to use the post-wax spray as an application on the legs and then follow that with the post-wax lotion, which is a lovely, thick, rich cream which has rose hip that helps to hydrate and soften the skin, and it's a slightly thicker consistency, so it really helps to hydrate the skin as well. The next one I want to introduce is one of my personal favorites, which is the Outback Aloe Gel. This one is a must, and it's one that you finish all of your facial waxing with. So this area tends to come up a little bit higher in color. The aloe gel has beta-glucan, so it's very good for reducing redness and heat within the skin. It's also incredibly hydrating. So it's a great one to use for any areas that come up high color. So on the face, I use and finish all treatments with the aloe gel. For the intimate area, if they come up a little bit high color, I can use the aloe gel, and then I can introduce our next product, which is our Bush Balm. So the Bush Balm is a very popular product. It has no fragrances in. It's designed to speed, heal and repair the skin, designed specifically for the intimate area, but also very good to use as aftercare on the underarms as well. The last option I want to present to you is if you do any male torso waxing. Men don't tend to like to feel any residue, but they are very prone to breakouts or follicle irritations. So once you've re-cleansed the area at the end of your wax, it's a great option to use the post-wax spray, which is a preventative, so it will help to reduce the possibility of follicle irritation and infection, and then to finish your application with the Outback Organics Aloe Gel, which will take any heat and high color out without leaving a heavy residue on the skin. If you want any further information of any of the Outback Organics products, you'll find everything you need to know on our website.